Welcome my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 4 students. Our today's topic, Unit 2, reading done. So let's see our today's discussions. So today's class 4. Subject English Literature, topic Unit 2, reading, lecture number 3, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date, and term will be half yearly term. So my dear students, open a book, New Success Buzzword Communicative English for Schools, main course book 4, and go to page number, this is your page number, go to page number 12, our unit is Unit 2, the floating market. Unit 2 is the floating market. So let's start our discussions. Okay, so open your book, go to lesson, page number 13. So let us read the floating market. So in Thailand, life outside the cities is quite different from life in the cities. So life outside the cities is quite different from life in the cities. Life outside the cities, it can be in villages. People live on farms and grow their own vegetables or buy them fresh every day from the local market. So the market here is not in a building, it is a floating market located on a river. So this is an example of a floating market that is located, situated on the river. Okay, so this is called a floating market. The market here is not in a building, it is a floating market located on a river. People travel in their boats on the river, buying and selling almost everything. Lamai and her family live on a farm. They grow fruits and vegetables and sell them at the market each day. The family's day starts at 3 a.m. Long before the sun comes up, Lamai and her brother help their parents. They pick fruits and vegetables and clean them. Then they load everything into a long boat called a ruila paish. Their boat is ready by about 6 a.m. Lamai's father and brother stay on the farm to work while Lamai and her mother row to the closest floating market. On the way, the water is still and peaceful. Lamai sees the bright sun beginning to shine. They now have no time to lose. So what is the meaning of have no time to lose? Have no time to lose means cannot waste time. Lamai hears people laughing and shouting in the distance. Soon the sounds grow louder. Her mother rows the boat around the corner. Suddenly they are at the floating market. Hundreds of boats are gathered at a wide place in the river. So we're moving to the next page. Okay, we're moving to the next page, and this is our next page. Sorry, it's not hanging quietly. Okay, so merchants call out what they have to sell. People go from one seller to another in their boats. They buy fruits at one boat and fresh bread at another. Lamai's mother will sell bananas, ripe tomatoes and other vegetables today. She hopes her mother will buy her some star fruit later. They are Lamai's favorite. Okay, so for Lamai, a trip to the market also means a chance to meet her friends. Today, Lamai sees her friend Shukhi. They chatter while Lamai's mother is busy selling her stock. Finally, Lamai's mother is ready to leave. Lamai waves goodbye to her friend. She and her mother move away to another spot to sell the rest of their stock. On the walkway beside the river, Lamai sees tourists buying souvenirs, colorful purses, t-shirts, pencil, and statues. So souvenirs mean, what is the meaning of souvenirs? Thing one buy and keeps to remember a special event or a place visited. So around 11 a.m., people begin to go home. Lamai is good. She's a little sleepy from waking up so early. Her mother has sold most of her stock. They will leave the market with less food in their boat, but with more money for their family. Lamai's mother makes one last stop so Lamai can buy her favorite star fruit. Then they row home. They can rest until tomorrow when the work will begin again. Okay, my dear students. So this is today's lecture, my dear students. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.